Hallo. 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 Good morning. Chat. How you doing? Chat. How you doing? I'm calling in from my multi-million-dollar mansion. Hello. Good morning, chat. How you doing? Good morning, what do you think of this thumbnail for Skelesalar? What do you think of this thumbnail for Skelesalar? Do you like it? Chat. This is game developer calling in, chat. Hello, game developer calling in. Hope you're having a good day to make some games. Right? Ramadan? Ooh, you're not able to eat, right? You need to wait till this evening. Keep yourself busy, you can do it, mate. You can do it. Keep yourself busy, you can do it, mate. You can do it. Audio loop. Audio loop. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. All right. Sorry about this very much. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't know that. Yeah, we played Skelesalar yesterday, and I went back to make a thumbnail. I uploaded the video to YouTube already, but I feel like I'm almost done. Maybe could need some feedback. Yeah, what do you guys think of the thumbnail here? Do you like it? I'm not gonna do a color overlay, by the way. I will not. Just playing around. It's kind of funny. Hey, click this. Look how you can change the tone of this. Damn. 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 Damn, 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 damn. Look at that. Ooh. Drop shadow. Outer glow. So yeah, I'm currently designing a thumbnail for Mr. Skelesalar. And then we'll get back to game development. Oh, looks like there are some artifacts here. Rasterize. No, but not like this. Looks like there are some artifacts here. They are here too. Yeah, using AI for this, you get this shit. But it's faster. That's where AI is actually very helpful. Hope you have a good day so far. Sorry I'm late today. I had to deal with work. We had an emergency. And yeah, I promised my boss that I will be supporting them till the end of the year, and of course, like I intend to keep that promise. Very important to me to keep my word when I tell people that I'm gonna do something. And yeah, so sorry for the delay, and then I spent the time making the thumbnail because I did not get to it yet, and I know how important it is to... I don't know if this video is gonna get any views, but if it does get like a couple hundred views maybe, then... And I hope that it, you know, will support Adam, then of course we'll do it, right? And so I'm sorry for being late. I know this takes a bit of time. You know. We'll get it done and then we get back to the game. And yes, this is Adam's game running in the background. I just thought the music is cool, so we could have some different music while we wait. There you go. I think we're almost ready here. Not too much, because otherwise you overly saturate these images, which can look bad, by the way. There you go. Okay, what do you guys think? I feel like I'm a bit dark, but otherwise looks good. No, that was way too much. Right, I think I'm doing a little too much, but yeah. I'm having fun too. It's been a while since I... What if we do center? Well, I think I like that a bit more. It's been a while since I made like a YouTube thumbnail and stuff, so I'm actually very happy that I get the opportunity to do this again, right? Without having to worry about if I spend any more time on this, you know, it'll cause me issues not being able to pay rent, you know. I actually enjoy this stuff quite a lot, but I had to stop for like a year, right? So yeah, awesome to get back into it, and at the same time we can support a game dev, right? Game developer, Mr. Adam. Hope the game is doing good. Yeah, I'll also be starting to look more into Discord, what you guys have been making, right? But let me finish this first here. So what we need to do is go to thumbnails or videos, assets, and I have this awesome picture arrow here. So maybe I should make a... Oh, we could do this right here. Right. There you go. And we could potentially use the same effects on the arrow. Yep, looking nice. The last thing that I want to do here would be to use an L. That's a bit more difficult to do, but I think we can do it.
Hello, Cakez.
Hey, my man, how you doing, Mr. Magetsap? Yeah, and again, guys, not again. Sorry about these scammer attempts on Discord. They've been trying to sell crypto shit, right? Oops. The crypto shit on our server, you know, make you... I hope no one clicked the link. Please do not follow any links. Let me phrase this correctly, though. Please... Oh my god, I have so much shit open. Please do not follow any links people post about crypto. I have never, will ever engage in crypto, buy, sell, whatever. I have never done that, will ever do that. And just don't, okay? These are scammers. Even if they have been talking to you for days, what they're doing is social engineering. So they get to know you, they, you know, engage in chat, they pretend like they're actual viewers, but their sole goal is to make you believe that when they're talking about something, it's legit, okay? That's called social engineering, and you need to be aware of that and be very careful. Do not follow any links ever. Even if the guy has been in chat for multiple days, weeks. It's all a lie. It's an elaborate scheme, okay? Don't do it. Okay, I'm just selling my game. That's all I'm selling. It's just the game. That is the only product that I sell. Okay. So yeah, I made a Discord post about it.
Please read Gibbers_gaming important message Cakez 7MHM.
Yeah, I'll read it in a second when I'm done with this thing here, okay? I will. Gibbers message. Yeah, I will. Thank you. And yeah, guys, hope you have a good day so far. Thank you so much for joining. I saw that there have been quite a few people who made a post again about our reaction. Guys, can you... What's going on? Why you keep banning people? Like, I can't read chat right now. What's happening? Who gets banned? What's going on here? Scammers getting banned? Oh, it's the crypto guys again. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, keep banning them. Damn, I'm good. Shit. It kind of triggers me that... Yeah. Perfectionist, guys. Perfectionist. I also met my wife and Zoe today. They're still with her sisters. Was nice. Other than the fact that I got pressure from my work because shit didn't work again. So I had to leave and I was constantly on edge. That was annoying. Nice. Man, they are stacked on top of each other. Is it this? It's gotta be this. Yeah, the reason what I'm doing right now is I'm copying this and then I will put that in a new layer. And then we'll add an outline to this. So it sticks out a little bit. We could do an outer glow, but we could also, you know, make it actually glow. Right. What is a good glow thing? I'm not really... This? Then give it a blue glow or something? Okay. Sell loot. Okay. I think this thumbnail is not the best, but it's a starter. It's a good one. Okay. Awesome. It's been a while since I've made a thumbnail for YouTube. Holy cow. It's probably almost a year at this point, or maybe a year. Remove the ring glare from your glasses. Oh, yeah. True, I was gonna do that. Forgot. Thank you so much. Okay, how do I do that? How do I actually do this? Do I just take a pencil and draw over this like this? Like this? Clone brush? Oh yeah, there's this other brush, right? This I forgot which one it is. Patch tool, I think. There should be patch tool, yeah. And how does it work? You just move it, right? Something like this. It's fine. Good. So, thank you. Good idea. Chat! We have done a thumbnail. Long time ago. Holy cow. Very happy about this. I hope this helps Adam. I'll be posting this video in a second. It's already like done. Now it's thumbnails. Yeah. Oof. So this is... I'm going to name it Skelecella. Become the CEO of this town or sell loot and get rich. Or make people work for you. The hardships of letting others work for you. Slavery is illegal in this game. CEO version. Letting others work for you is hard. There you go. Good. Link to Skelecella. I think we could do a UTM analytics too. UTM link. Maybe he's into this type of stuff. Would like to know. I find this interesting. Maybe I can have like an impact in the future and ask people, does it help if I make videos, right? I feel like that's a good idea. What is that, comma? Oh, I see. Alright, cool. Let's upload this thumbnail. No, let's upload this video, sorry. Oh yeah, I did not save it yet. Alright, because I wanted to have the title. Because I usually name it after the title. Skelecella, yeah, it's another indie game from a fellow developer, and I've been waiting. I have been waiting to frickin' to make videos again, right? And this is like the perfect opportunity to start with, because we are, you know, we're supporting a fellow game developer at the same time, which is awesome. You hired a doubler for the thumbnail. He looks relaxed. Yeah. No, that was me. Like with this, where is it? Oh yeah, with this thing here. Like my wife gifted me this once when I had no money. You know, we were in, I don't know, we were in like doing some vacation somewhere, and I told her, I don't have money, I don't want this, please don't give this to me. She still gave it to me. So, very nice of her, yeah. Remember to put hashtag ad? No, I did it on my own volition, it's not a hashtag ad. Oh, that's not an ad, my friend. I genuinely like the game. Yeah, sorry, this took a bit longer than expected, but I had fun doing it. Oh, we need to do tags, so let's see. What tags does Mr. Idlecup use? Clicker. Alright, thank you. Copy. Paste. Okay, appreciate that. Eh? Why did it not load this? Hello? Hello? Why is this black? Why are you black? So indie cakes is what you guys said I should do, right? Indie cakes? Then we do control. And then I search for minus. There we go. Okay, so let's try this again. God damn it! It's crazy. How do you want this playlist? Mod me on Discord so I can ban the scammers. Okay. How do I do that? How do I mod you? Roll? Is it like a roll or something? God, is AQ here? Can you do that? Right click ban. Wait, that's my account. God, like, is AQ here? Shit, he's not. Right click, change role. Ah. Mod. Okay. Okay. We make a new playlist, guys. New playlist. Indie Cakes, I guess. Indie Cakes. For where I play indie games. Whether it be demos, releases, real game dev. Like indie Cakes. Real game dev here. Can you give me advice how to beat the pit stage? I spent almost 2 hours yesterday and I didn't beat it, just closed the game after that. I really liked the game. Chat, do you have advice for this guy? Tang is trying to beat the... What advice would you guys give him to beat the pit stage? Cakes goes indie. Half-baked cakes. Skill issue, perfect. Let's just call it Indie Cakes. In this series, I play indie games, demos, and more. There you go. Create. Good games and bad takes. Alright. Come on, it can't take so long to make a fucking playlist, YouTube. Just make the playlist, please, so I can start working on my game, man. You are YouTube. You have all the power in the world. You have 1 million bazillion servers. Please! YouTube. Hello. Hello. You can't be serious. First the image is black, so basically there must be some issue, and now this is not working. Unity uses YouTube uses Unity engine as a backend. Oh, Jose Ariosa, thank you very much for becoming a big supporter, man. On YouTube. Thank you so much for the support. Are you millionaire cakes? No. Hey, and everyone, good evening. Good evening, Jose. Jose. Come on, man. You can't be doing that to me. I can't even click anything. You can't be serious. It's a playlist. Bro, this is insane. It's just a playlist, YouTube. Hello. And then it says like, leave page. What do you mean, leave page? Fine, leave page. There's no other way. Like, you're stuck. Don't tell me you didn't upload that. Good. So, what did you not save? Yeah, fuck off. You saved nothing. Not even my tags, did you? I hate... Yeah, saved nothing. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Copy selected. Asshole. Like, I just can't believe this. Apart from that, I was having a good time making this video once YouTube started to shit itself. Why are you black? Upload the damn image! Oh my god, you're making me so mad. Ads? Yes. Money. Thank you. Move on. No, there's nothing. I only say ass in the first 10 seconds. That's all. Good. Import from video. We make it ourselves. Oh my god, this is so laggy. This is so laggy. Oh my god, can you like... Oh, can this be any more shit? Oh my god, I can't believe this, bro. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm getting real mad here because this is just stupid how bad this is. Sorry, guys. Why are you black? Yeah. Aha, now you're showing it. Well, private for now, because I'm not done. Okay, sorry, I need to finish what I started. And I really want to get the video out now. So, guys, what did I say as a title before? What was the title before? Then we had the UTM analytics here, which was Cakez. And then I changed that from Cakez TD to Tangy TD. No, not save. What was this? Making others? Okay, I need to watch that on YouTube. One sec. Letting others work for you is hard. Letting others work for you is hard. Okay. Good playlist. Oh, if you. No, save. First save. Now we do playlist. Gamedev, shorts, DaVinci tutorials, AFK stream, first timers, here you can twist. Cakez plays, viewer games. I gotta delete some of these playlists. New playlist. That is indie Cakez.
I don't want to be like Cakez.
In this series, I play indie games, demos, and more. Create. Thank you. Now you did it. Done. Awesome. Anything I forgot? Yes, the tags. So, the tags are really not that important. But some stuff does not need to be here. Oh, it did save this actually. Incremental games. Idle games, incremental games, copy. Yeah, they are already here. Idle games, incremental games. Okay, good stuff. Save. Yeah, okay, then. New video out about Skelicella. I hope helps out a tiny bit. Probably not that much, because I'm not known for making games like this, videos like this. But yeah, if you guys want to check it out, I tried to make the video as somewhat interesting as possible. Obviously, it's me playing the game, right? So, yeah, just playing the game, but awesome. Very happy about this, public. Awesome. It's been a while. Cool. Let's see how that looks on YouTube when someone sees the description, right? I hope it doesn't autoplay. Good. Yeah, Twitch by Tangy TD. That has to be at the top, I know. Oh, but then after that, there's Skelicella. Quite nice. Awesome. Very cool. Like. If you guys want to check it out, the video, you know, And maybe you missed me playing the game yesterday. I had a lot of fun. It's a very relaxing game once you get into it. And yeah, I almost leaked my inbox, so let's close that. Nice. Skill is seller. Done. Cool. Alright, today, guys, we're going to be working on... Do you guys want to listen to this a while? While we let the game run and farm some money? Yeah? I'm just scared that it'll crash, that's all. I think we can, right? I think it sounds good. Let me close this, by the way. There you go. Get back to the game. Get rid of these things here. Close some stuff. There you go. Don't save. Recordings, pictures. And the cool thing is, I now have another... Oh, no! I have another preview thumbnail thing. That could be adding some work here, but it's good enough. So, cool stuff. Yep, faces. There you go. Cool. Good stuff. Now, how is Skillzilla doing anyways? Didn't really check it out too much after yesterday. It's probably doing better than yesterday, right? Because it's an incremental game, like an idle game. Okay, it's doing 550 at the moment. 80 reviews. It's about to pop off again. What do you guys think in terms of player numbers? How will it end up? Where will it end up? Where will it end up? Oh my god! I didn't see that! Holy cow! Thank you so much for gifting 20 memberships, man. Wait, is that 40 memberships? Holy! Mr. Sayane? Cyan? I'm sorry, I'm doing the name wrong. Thank you so much for the big support, man. That is crazy. And thank you for becoming a big supporter yourself, man. Wow, big W is a chat for Mr. Cyan? 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 Mr. Cyan? Thank you, man. Big W is a chat. Come on. This guy's burning his money away. True. Hello. Congrats on the big success. Thank you, man. Thank you. Super Saiyan. That uncle meets your SO. That uncle? Cakes? What? What is this? That uncle? What is this? Huh? Why are you black? Upload the damn image! Okay. Oh my god, you're making me so mad. Okay, bro. Yeah. It's like... Yeah. It's like with these with the, whatever that's called, right? With these implied racism jokes. Ha. Very funny. Okay, wait, the game's running. So, today, we're working on this. We will make this map nice. I have also seen some feedback from you guys about the game being too long in endless mode. Do you guys want me to raise the difficulty of endless mode monsters and make them more difficult to beat, especially in later stages where they become
DUA just subscribed.
Endless mode is too long. Yes, people are spending literal days in endless mode to get to the end because they can't die.
Am I so out of touch?
Thank you very much, my man.
Wait a sec is gifting 1 sub to the community.
Thank you very much, wait a sec, and thank you, Alken, Dew. Thank you very much for subscribing with Twitch Prime, man. Can you give me the Chinese update, please? Ivan, hello there, my man. So, about the Chinese update. I need a bit more time to prepare that. I am not ready for that yet. And I plan on doing a big Chinese update in the future. Together with a big patch for the game. So you will get more content, more gameplay features, and the Chinese plus Japanese localizations. Okay, but I need time to prepare this, and I want it to be like a big patch, so people come back and you have like a lot of people competing together on the leaderboard then. And so right now the game is in a shape where I still need to toggle knobs, I need to balance things, I need to add levels and, you know, balance them better, and then maybe, you know, listen to more feedback. And I feel like you guys would have a lot more fun. I know it sucks that we don't have Chinese at the moment, but I'm pretty sure it'll be a better launch for you when you guys, like, when the Chinese market opens together with like some really big patch. Right, and I want it to be a desert patch with additional mechanics.
No.
Hitzmer Castle just subscribed.
Thank you very much for subscribing. It's Mr. Castle.
No.
Curious Piglet just subscribed.
Oh, Curious Piglet, you too. Thank you guys for subscribing with Twitch Prime.
Am I so out of touch?
Oh my god.
Anyway is gifting 20 sub to the community.
Holy! Thank you very much for 20 gift subs, man. That is crazy. Big W is in chat for Alkni do it. I can do it. I'm sorry, I can't speak your name. It's like, it's not in my vocabulary, man. This guy is burning his money away. Thank you, Big W's. Big W's in chat. Thank you, man. Very generous. Tangy TD is all over the news in China. Man, that's crazy. Yeah, well, I'm working on a big patch, but I can't do it immediately. I'm trying to... Thanks for explaining the Chinese update. Yeah, like, I want to, but I need a bit more time. You could make the game speed up more to 5. You already have 5x in the game. You just don't know it yet. Watch. Press the plus button 5 times. You get to 5x. Hey Cakez, would you ever consider paying a content creator or streamer from Brazil, for example, to make your game sell better there? Probably both. Hey Cakez, would you consider... I see, I don't know. I think I got enough, to be honest. I'm happy. If anything, I really want to just make the game better at the moment. And then if the game's good enough, since it already got attention and we have a lot of wish lists, I think with a big patch, I don't think I need more. I was considering it before when I saw 30,000, but now I think it's fine. I'd rather they find it organically. And I still will mail them, right? I will still send out emails. Yeah, I want them to be genuinely happy or liking the game, yeah. Now that I'm in a situation where I don't need the money and I don't need the attention, I would rather have organic reactions. If that makes sense. How can I get in touch to send a large donation your way? Love the story. I don't know, Discord, but I feel like I don't need it, man. This is the last map we're going to add. We already had added a map yesterday. Now we're going to add this map. And this map is all about... Well... It's supposed to be dark. There's a light source here. How can I get in touch? I'm a prince from Nigeria. I have 42 million to transfer. Don't fall for it, Cakez. Yeah, I'm very, like, yeah, I'm very careful. No, don't worry about it. Hello, Mr. D-Boy.
I love Cakez. Just kidding, fuck Cakez.
Here's Kofi, yeah, I guess. Herzlichen Glühstrumpf. Thank you. I'm trying to gather my thoughts here. Alright, this can go away. So, you guys had some feedback on Discord about this. Man, this slash is just retarded, isn't it? This is way too much space. I hate this. Sorry about this. Thank you so much for trying putting a slash there, but it pisses me off. Because it takes so much space. Thank you guys for the hype train. I appreciate it. Okay, so let's focus back on the game. There's a letter N missing. I'll be dealing with that later. Not on stream. Game meets up. This is weird. Yeah, this is odd. This is odd. Try to limit FPS. Or use VSync. Also, you could try to reinstall. I have not changed any rendering code. Problem with the ladder. So people take 5 to 15 hours of continuous play to get to the highest rounds. If I make the enemies more difficult and more resilient to your CC, then at some point you won't be able to control them anymore, even with Tangy. And I understand that there's also a boss with the a bug with the monster spawning inside a Tangy tree. Even if I reset the ladder, there will still be some people that spent like 10 hours on a game, which I don't think is feasible. How long are the runs in Megabonk? Megabonk caps it, yeah, so that's right. Megabonk, the Megabonk developer is really smart. And so I think that would be a good thing to steal, essentially. 30 minutes. Well, we could cap it after an hour, but an hour is also very long. And an infinite boss comes. What is an infinite boss? Borrow cakes? Yeah, I mean borrow, yeah, of course. There's an achievement for 100 rounds though, yeah. Can't kill it, it just kills you. So what if I spawn a boss? Guys, how much HP do the bosses have when they spawn?
No.
Eurysses and Just subscribed. Wouldn't that defeat the endless idea if you cap it?
Yeah, kinda, but I understand that most people just stopped competing because of the... But then what do we do when we reach that stage? I have seen 12 million health. Yeah, round 90. There's an achievement for... Yeah, after round 100 it should go exponential. I feel like after round 100 we could still do endless, but we could make it exponential. I count up another counter, or I just do a calculation here. I hate this.
Am I so
I
out
was
of
searching
touch?
for this before.
No.
Egoosey just subscribed. It's been 5 months, yay.
Thank you for joining for 5 months, bro. What a big supporter. I really appreciate it, bro. Boss rush seems interesting. Yeah, we'll do the following. Watch this. First we do a const float ultra level, which is float, and that'll be part of the update on Friday then, right? And we take the round counter and we minus that 100. Now we have the ultra level, and with the ultra level, every round that you add, the enemies get just massive. Massive. So like they could start with getting knockback resist. Right. They get start knockback resist. And I think knockback resist is a base value. Yeah, base value. Ultra level. Multiply that by, well, when do you want them to be immune to knockback? By the way, knockback immune would mean Tangy's teleport will do nothing anymore. Good morning, Pikachu. I need to go to the bathroom, guys. I'm sorry. I need to join the bathroom here. So, what should we add here as buffs? Put some ideas. Here. I'll send you the link. Put some ideas here. You wanna... You know. Oh, and Andreas, thank you very much for becoming a big supporter on YouTube, man. Congratulations, by the way. You should celebrate this. Yeah, I will. When it slows down, pretty sure I will. 1 sec, guys. By the way, guys, do you know why you are winning? Do you understand even why you are winning those late rounds with Tangy? I'll tell you why. It's the 1% kill, instant kill chance. If I take that away from you, you will not get that far. I have played with Tangy, maxed out her projectiles and splits and everything and pierce. And when there were, I think I was around 100 plus, one volley of her into a pack of enemies would kill half the pack. Why? Because the 2% chance, there were so many projectiles and pierces and splitting projectiles that would split the entire screen, and one enemy would get hit like 5 or 6 times. And you multiply that by 100 enemies, multiply that by 5, every enemy gets hit so many times that, yeah, you kill half the pack with just a 2% chance. Now it's a 1% chance, but you still kill them because your attack speed is so high too. So you just do volley after volley after volley and you kill almost everything. And so I need to add death blow resist to the units. In endless mode too. Which sucks, but when you get to these crazy levels, 1% is just, unfortunately, it's too much. Right. Let me see. Oh shit, I forgot something now. No, I was gonna, ah yeah. I forgot to pin the YouTube message. Here you go. Yes. If you wanna support me, the best way to do that is to buy Tangy TD. It's the game I'm working on, and we're currently trying to make it better. Thank you very much for the support. I appreciate it a lot. Tanky power level. You should think about improving the clarity of the skill tree. Maxing skills is not easy to understand. Maybe some dots, change color, so give text 1 out of 3. Yeah, I will. But I think this it's on the list, but this is not as high as a priority as making better tooltips, which is a bit tedious for me, because if I make tooltips better, then I would have to go and ask all of the translations to be changed too, which means contacting quite a few people, and maybe some of them won't respond, right? Because maybe they're doing something else. But yeah. Lighting looks cozy. Yeah. Guys, we're getting the Dr. Pepper. Think. I had an idea removing all AoE effects for endgame performance. I'm done watching 1 FPS Massacre. Yo, Seamus, you finished the game today. Congratulations, bro. Thanks for playing. Hope you had fun. I'm about to add 2 more maps. 1 map's already in the game. This is the 2nd map. And then we will be adding more items, right? More items. That's what Soda Poppin and Dex wanted from the game. And, you know, maybe in the future when they revisit the game, they are happy to see that there are a lot more items. I'm getting myself like a Dr. Pepper a day. I think that's reasonable. It's €1. And I think it's just more expensive, more delicious than Coca-Cola. Right. Skelicilla sold copies. 4,000 copies. How do you know that? Did he check? Wow, that's a lot, man. Holy cow. In 24 hours. Did Adam say that? He just checked. Cool. Congratulations. Big W's for Mr. Skelicilla. Mr. Adam. Guys, big W's. Awesome. Dr. Pepper is 250 for you. For you, man, really that expensive scam? Yeah, that's a scam. I wouldn't buy that at all. No. Grats to your publicity. I don't think I did anything, bro. Like maybe a little bit, but yeah. How did you fill your memory, by the way? There's one line of code per gigabyte. Also get rid of that retard from Discord if you can. Cakes. What? So no one went here. Okay, fine. Satch. Wait, what, guys? Who is the problem on Discord? What? What did he do? Oh, I see. Oh, man. Yeah, okay. I'm sorry about this. This is another one of these guys. Did you ban him? Okay, good. Thank you. Yeah, please kill these guys. Ban these guys. By kill, I mean, you know, delete them from Discord. Okay, that's what I mean by that. Okay. Not in real life. I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. Okay. I'm sorry. It's like, I'm a gamer, okay? I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Get rid of them. You know? Basically, yeah. Cakes, I know it's hard getting where you are. It's a long road, but it seems like the market eagers for good games. And if they are good enough with a good marketing strategy, they will do well. Well, is this statement true? How about we ignore the fact that I got viral and only think of the part where what happened before I went viral with the clip, right? Let's only isolate that part. I have earned 3,600 copies in about how much was it? In a little over 24 hours. I think it was 30 hours, right? 30 hours. And we had earned $32,000. Now that I see Skelesella's numbers, I have to say that he has earned more in a shorter time frame, but I would call his game a success, and I would definitely call my game a success with these numbers too. For me, when I saw this number, the world basically how do you say that? It didn't end, but like the world was lifted off my shoulders, right? It was you need to understand, guys, that the difference between the 30k and the 250k was nothing for me in comparison to knowing that the game has earned enough so I could make a new game. That was something so deep, such a deep God, I'm lagging! Such a deep desire, relief, yeah, that it made me infinitely happy in the moment. And that's why my wife reacted that way too, because she knew. A good game will work if my game was the same game, but I did not stream the release. I didn't do the YouTube videos beforehand, but it was the exact same game. I don't think I would have hit new and trending. I think it would have gotten a couple players and that's it, because it didn't market itself beforehand. And therefore, my game is not that marketable. At least I don't think it is. So, my game with the gameplay is good and fun, but the marketing aspect, what people see from the outside, does not make them go and say, "Oof, I wanna play it," even though it took so long to get here. So I got here because of YouTube and Twitch, because of you guys. When we pressed the release button, it was 1,500 or something viewers on both platforms combined. And that catapulted us to new and trending really quickly. Without that, the game, I'm pretty sure, would have faded away into like a 10-player mark or something. So become a streamer? No, make a game that is more marketable. Find out what makes games marketable and make something similar, but a game that you like. Make a game that players want to play from the outside just by looking at a screenshot. Or a short clip. YouTube algorithm brought me here 3 days before launch. Yeah. Kotaku posted about you? Kotaku? Okay, this is getting ridiculous. Stop! Guys, I am not doing the reveal at the end of the month how much money it is. I do not want more clips, man. I appreciate it, but it's getting too much, man. It's too much attention. I did nothing. I'm just sitting on my fat ass and I'm making a game, man. Farm them? How do I farm them? I do nothing. I just sit here. I enjoy it, yeah. It feels awkward because, like, I do nothing, I feel like. Brothers pose. Okay. Reveal without wife present and it will be fine. Post a pic on Discord if you don't want video. Raged enough on the code. And if you were to redo it, what's your takeaways to do it faster and better? Well, first and foremost, don't code everything in C++. Absolutely not. Waste of time, ginormous waste of time, so stupid. Use a framework. Like, if your focus is a game, right? Your focus is to make a game, then from day one, you should be thinking about the game. Now, you will have to learn certain technologies, but the focus should always be on the game. What type of game are you making? What type of enemies do you have? Do you have enemies? What's the gameplay loop? What is the experience in the game? How do I make a game faster? I think about the experience in the game first, and I build a core gameplay loop in my head, and I write down what I need, and then I build a really quick prototype. A prototype that could you do like in a weekend or something. Like a super quick prototype with shitty art, and then I play the game. And if it's fun for me, then I have cooked up a good gameplay loop, and then I'll try package it up a bit nicely and send it out to people. But it should not take longer than like a week at most. That's why you use a framework, or if you use Unity and Unreal Engine, right, whatever, like that, that's faster, but yeah. And that's where you can iterate on your designs and or scratch something early on, instead of spending 10 months or 10 years, not 10 years, but a year or 2 or 3. The map looks insane, you like it? Yeah, we'll be designing it today. I'm just wondering how I could add the light sources to this. Like, do I use lamps, torches? You have whisper blocked? I have not blocked any whispers. No. Anyone can whisper me on Discord. That's not true. I've gotten some weird whispers, yeah. But no, anyone can whisper me. That's not true. Yeah, so that's Omni. Thank you very much for following, by the way. Hello there, bro. That's what I would do, and I would utilize itch.io as best as I can. And how do you know if your game is good or interesting? I would try to post a clip to Reddit and or like, I don't know, I'm not a big Twitter person, right? X. I've never had any success on X, not a single time, no matter what I posted. But it doesn't mean that you cannot do well on X. I don't know how much the blue check mark does for you. Like, do you get more engagement, more views? I don't know. I've heard that it gives you more visibility, so that would mean more views. But yeah, when you know that you have something, you can do an itch and Steam page at the same time and funnel those views from itch directly to Steam. So inside your game you build. But that's the stage that you go to once you know you have something. And how do you know you have something? Well, you play it yourself. And now, like, it's difficult. For me, it will be easy because I'm a streamer. I can ask people to play it and they give me feedback without having to post anything online, right? Before the public even knows. But for someone that doesn't have that, you need to ask your friends or gaming buddies or whoever you can ask to play the game privately and tell you if they like it or not, how long they played, stuff like that. You need to gather these metrics. You need to validate your product and you need to do it fast. If you spend like a year prototyping something, then you ask your friends to play it and they hate it, you just wasted a year, probably. But you also don't know 100%. Right? If your friends say they don't like it, but maybe there are certain gamers out there that really love it. That's a difficult balance to strike. So yeah. I don't really know 100% how you would tackle that when you don't have an audience. Or when you don't have like somewhat of a community already. You can use Reddit, but you are wasting some of the Reddit visibility. Like let's say you make a game, you post a clip of your game and you ask people to playtest, right? In order to ask people to playtest, you need to send them an executable through Reddit. That's really bad. Or you need to have an itch page. But if you have an itch page already, you're not farming the views from the itch page to Steam, right? If you're trying to min-max, right? If you're trying to min-max this shit, which you don't have to, but you can, right? If you don't want to min-max, you just want to bring out a game and ask for feedback and look if it goes well, just upload it to itch. You know, don't make a Steam page, upload it to itch, ask people to play it on Reddit, give you feedback, and if you get a lot of engagement, then you know you have something, then you can do a Steam page. You might have wasted some of the wishlist opportunities from itch, but you will be able to upload it to Steam, and then from that point onward, you have like an itch page that funnels into Steam. Maybe you have lost like 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 wishlists, but from that point onward, maybe you gain 5,000 more through itch and posts, right? But yeah, that's what I would do. Long story short. Social media platforms for top discoverability. Well, once you have a product on itch, you can contact YouTubers as well. So like you have a YouTuber list, maybe you have made a game before and you have gathered like 300 emails of YouTubers. Let's say you have an itch demo out, it's somewhat stable, you email YouTubers. Like literally, watch this. Here. Dex YouTube. It's awesome that, like, I didn't even know he existed before. I don't think I have him on the list or something. Did I? Do I? Maybe I have. I think I have. This game here. I watched the video while I was making food. This game here.
Look at this. These are 25.
Is on itch. So he made an itch demo. The Steam page. But it's not demo out yet on Steam, right? And then he emailed Dex, or people told him to play this because they played it on itch. And then Dex played it, right? So that's how you can get your game be seen by YouTubers, or you know, get eyes on your game. You make an itch demo. If people like it, You can see the statistics on it. If you have like 1 people playing it on a daily basis, that's not really a good metric, right? But if you have 10 people playing it on a daily basis, that's really good, right? Probably very rare, but good. Would you pay for a web scraper to grab emails for you? YouTube? No. The reason why I wouldn't do that is because I think you get 90% junk. I would just slowly over time make one big email list that you think is good. And you're going to have duplicates of most people, but I think that email list is better than an email list that contains YouTubers like Dance Gaming, Queen69, XQC, Asmongold, and stuff like that, right? Or big YouTubers that would never play your game. It's just a number in a list to make the list sound more impressive. And then there's also a lot of inactive YouTubers in there, or YouTubers that only play Fortnite and you're contacting them. It's like, I feel like that's a total waste of time and effort. Obviously you can use mail merge, right? You just click a button once every day, it sends out 100 mails, and then you click it for 10 days, you have sent out 1,000 mails. Sure, right? But I think making the research yourself is very helpful, because now you know which people to look out for and who you want to contact. And the cool thing is, this list is something so valuable that you keep it for like for the future, right? The email list that I have, which is almost 400 YouTubers, I can keep that for the next games, and it can grow. So you get to like 400 mails, 500 mails, you get to that really quickly, right? So yeah, that's what I would do, Klaus Greiner. And we will do it when Tangy TD is in good shape, when it's slowed down, like when the discount ends, right? I will slowly pivot forward, shift and pivot to making another game, and I will develop this game in peace in the mornings, right? When Zoe is in kindergarten, then I'll develop this game off stream, and I'll show you parts of the process when I come online, stuff like that. And yeah, we'll be playing more indie games on stream, and we'll be making a new game too. Yeah, we'll be brainstorming some ideas, trying to bring them to life. We'll be experimenting with different strategies on how to make the development process using C++, or maybe Odin. I don't know about it though. You know, how to make it as comfortable as possible. If I buy a house, I'm going to make a stream, a couple of streams where I have to renovate the house. You can already count on that. Because I will not buy a fully fledged house, I will buy an old house and then we repair it. Because I want to save money. My brother did the same, and I will do the same, and my other brother will also do the same. Whenever he gets there. Another 4 years on house. Odin Cozy, yeah. Did you do the 2D art objects and audio things, sound music on your own? I did do most sound effects myself, but the music is done by a composer. Really awesome guy. Very fun to work with. I will work with him in the future on other games. Last time you put up curtains, you had to cut your head. You had a cut on your head on the next stream? No. So, I put up a curtain, and I got mad because the thing from the curtain fell down. And then I got so mad that I forcefully tried to pick it up, and I hit my head on the heater, okay? That was just me being annoyed. But yeah, I have built my own kitchens, and I've helped build out floors, you know. I've also helped and done Fliesen in English, like the floors. So we know how to do these things, and we have the tools to do it too. So we will do that. Like we'll be getting an old house, renovate it ourselves, and save like 100,000 or something. I'm pretty sure we can save a minimum 100,000 on a new house, which is massive, right? And then that money saved could be spent on other things or saved up, right? Yeah, we learned those skills because my parents built a house when we were young and we had to help. So that's why we learned these skills. You know, my dad made us help him, and so we had to learn these things. Which is very valuable, I think. Being able to construct an entire kitchen, build an entire kitchen, so you just buy the kitchen and you don't buy the extra 1,000 or 2,000 that it costs to have it built. No, you can make mistakes, of course, right? But you gotta be careful. No, if you're careful enough, it's fine. Zoe will be helping. I don't think Zoe needs to help. She will be too young to help when we get there. I think we can get to buying a house next year, guys, not this year, as far as I understand. He was full-time even before the sales. What's your plan going forward? Are you going to full-time? I will be full-time in Gamedev, yes. I still am bound to the company I worked for before. It's a contract where I work about 10 hours a week. Not a week, a month, something like that. 10 to 20 hours a month. If anything comes up. Like, for example, today something came up and I had to fix it, right? I had to help. So if something comes up, I have to help, and that will be until the end of the year. That's when the company officially closes down and all the contracts will be terminated. And so I have to support them until then, and I will. Like, if I gave them my word, right, I will. It's that's fine, right? I went into this knowing this, and it's totally okay. So yeah, but all of the other time now, I can confidently say that I'm a full-time game developer, yeah? I'm a full-time game developer, chat, you know? It's like, I make games for a living, you know? Yeah. I upload games to Steam and sell them on the internet. Yeah. Yeah, it's awesome. It is so awesome. Yeah, the game will support us now for a while, which is good. Your job as a programmer too? It was a web developer, yeah. And DLC? No, I will do what Stardew Valley does, because I respect this guy. He is my idol when it comes to indie games. I'm pretty sure there are better or other indie games like him out there. Not like him, out there. But for me, the Stardew Valley guy is my idol. Like, he's the most giga-chat developer I've ever seen. Simply because of how he treats his game even years after the release. He kept updating his game, he never changed the price, he never put any DLC on the game, and he just kept making it better, even after the game was incredibly successful. And I find that super inspiring, and I want to strive to be the same. No, I'm not dick riding for contact. I don't need to talk to him to like him. The other day you didn't know his name? Yeah, you know how much shit I had in my head, bro? You know how many different things I had to remember, and then there's like a gazillion names in chat too? Of course I forget names. But that doesn't mean I forget the person. I've always been bad with names. Anyways. Shall we continue? He made like 500 million. He has enough. The thing is, guys, you have to understand. For him, it doesn't really matter how much money he has. For him, it is important that his game is good and that the people are happy with his game. That's the point. He had enough years ago. He had over 10 million, over a million so fast. That is not the point. The point is that he wants to genuinely make a good game and have people enjoy it. And that's what I find awesome. That's why I want to strive to be like him. Hey, yo, thank you very much for the raid, Omni. Digital Deck Tech. Hope you had a good stream. Welcome, bro. We're currently just relaxing, talking a bit, but then we get back into the action. I'm saying he's not making these DLCs because he has... No, you don't understand. He's not making the DLCs because he wants people to have the best game possible. Even if he didn't have the money, he would still not be making the DLCs. And that's why he's so successful. Do you not understand? We're talking about the Stardew Valley developer. He is not making the DLCs because he fundamentally believes in good games. And fundamentally believes in providing a good product. And that is why he's successful. It is not about money. Like, the question is never about money. Yeah, for me too, he's a personal hero, yeah. You know? Yeah, the Stardew Valley dev. And that is why he's successful. And so, yeah. So like for him, the question DLC doesn't come to mind because for him it's not a good game. Not a good package for the player. Money follows a good product, yeah. That's the sole reason why he's successful. And of course he made like really, really good game, but like to make that, you need to have that mindset. You know, and so that's what I find so inspiring. I'm going to do the same with Tangy TD, right? It will not be Stardew Valley. Like, I can already see people say, Cakez, his game is gonna be like Stardew Valley. No, I will follow the same idea. I will just make the game better and never charge more money for the game. I will just add content and features, but keep the price the same. That's what I'm gonna do. Next game I wanna play is Woods of War. Yeah, I told him to contact me when he has a demo out, but he needs more time, right? That's solid ethos. Have to do the same. Best sale model, it is, yeah. It like unironically, it probably makes your game sell more like that because people see what you're doing, right? I don't know when. I need more time for my game. Shut up about my game. Okay, fuck you. It's not like a sponge. He even allows to create mods without restrictions. Yeah. It's just a good game developer, man. What are you working on today? Well, what do you guys want on this map? Fires? Or torches? And then a fire has a light source attached to it. Could you maybe implement a sound when a round is lost? My opinion, it feels not good and cheap when you lose. Screen shows up without sound. Oh yeah, Griesfrei, I'm gonna ask the sound guy to do one, yeah. He will. I have it on the list actually. I'll put it on the list. Maybe I can do it till Friday. I'll ask him. I actually asked him already, but then I wanted the mega guys, do you have a... Could you do me a favor? Could you find a YouTube video where the... Where Vampire Survivors you die? Where you die in Vampire Survivors, so I can give him the clip. No, I'm pretty sure someone will do it. If not, I'll do it myself. It's fine. The sprite looks too small for a campfire. Well, I actually have to make a new campfire. Can I share what we're working on today? I'd love to see a reaction. Sure, man. Sure. It's okay. Cakez, did you play a lot of TD games before making Tangy TD? Did you play Warcraft 3? I did play Warcraft 3 TD games, and I always died to the fucking flying units! I hated the flying units! But yeah. And then I played a lot of TD games in StarCraft 2 as well. There was this one TD game that I kept playing. I kept dying to, like, this crazy wave. Like, I never got to the wave again after some point, but maybe they changed made some changes, but... there was this, I don't remember the wave, I just remember that there was this one wave that I got to sometimes that was just unbeatable. And then I think they must have changed something because I played like quite a lot. I never got to the wave again after some time, so they must have changed something. Oh, you already put it on Steam. But isn't it a sketch? Uh-oh, nudity and sexuality? Uh-oh. Bro, that's not a sketch, that's a fully fledged game. Okay, it's fine though. I mean, would be cool if you could tell me that it's a fully fledged game next time. Like, I don't have problems showing other games on my stream. What I have a problem with is people lie to me, right? If you say, let's see, what we were, can we share what we were working on today? Game concept, yeah? You called it a game concept? That's not a concept, man. That's far away from a concept, sorry. I feel like you just lied to me, which makes me, like, not wanna look at this. You can't be honest. Like, I don't have problems looking at games. What I do not like is when people just, yeah, like, I'm sorry, but that just went totally the wrong way. Am I wrong with this? With my reaction, guys? But the concept is the same, isn't it? You're wrong? Maybe it's concept in genre. You are wrong. Am I wrong, guys? Or am I not? Think I'm being a little hard, really? I thought like a concept is... But guys, how is this a concept? I don't know. Is it? For me, this is like a fully fledged game that comes out soon. Yeah, June. That's not a concept. Guys. The premise? A plan or intention? What's the definition of a concept? Is a thought or an idea. If you're retrograding your bedroom, you might want to start with a guys, it's a concept. It's something you start with, not the end product. You fucking, I'm not wrong. That's not a concept. That's not a concept.
Am I so out of touch? No.
Eggs Witcher just subscribed. UHM.
English might not be his first language. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, I don't know. Like, game looks good. It's not a concept though, okay? It's a game that has a demo. The concept doesn't change, guys. You're making me mad. Just you're making the concept of being a murderer that paints with blood. Okay. Okay. As in concept art. You might think of proof of concept of being classic. Okay, but it's not a concept, right? The concept is not obvious. No, it's not obvious. You know what this looks like to me when I see this for the first time? I didn't even know that you're a murderer. From looking at this, I didn't know you're a murderer. For me, this was just a character. Look, you are in a bar, and okay, you have a mask. And why is that important that you are drawing pictures? Yo, hello there, Yuroki. Yuriorkis. Thank you so much for the raid, man. Nightclubs are bars. Yeah, nightclub. Okay, so bars. The art looks really good, by the way. Looks really nice. It's probably a Unity game, isn't it? With good light. Yeah, fuck off. Good lightning and lighting and bloom. Yeah. I get it. Yeah. I wish my game could look like that. Yeah, it's Unity. It's a Unity. Why is it not scrolling here? Shouldn't it scroll? I thought this was scrollable, if I remember correctly. It's really not obvious that, and also it's not obvious what this mechanic adds to the game. To me, this looks like one of those zombie survival games, actually. Without zombies, like at least this screenshot when I see this, right? I think the game is a little confusing to understand. Without reading this, right? I'm looking at this like a gamer. If I see this. I feel like why is the screenshot the first one, the main menu? Is there anything particular you want to show about the main menu that is making people go wow? If not, then I would just not show this at all. Like, why do people need to see this? Yeah, the title is not readable too. Like, I can't read this anyways. This is supposed to be an S. It looks like an N. And then a Y. It's really hard to see, man. I'm sorry. Hop. Yeah. Psycasso. Psycasso. Is it it's supposed to say Psycasso. The logo is meant to emulate the Picasso signature. Oh, see, but gamers don't know that. Like, how many of you in chat know the Picasso signature? Type 1. Yeah, okay. Please, if you be honest here now. If you're all typing 1, you're giving him the wrong feedback, okay? You're not, guys, you're not giving me feedback right now. You understand? If you're giving me, if you're like trying to troll me, you're actually hurting him by giving wrong feedback. Okay, so if you're typing 1 to troll me, you're actually hurting this other developer. Just saying, you know. Yeah, so even if everyone that typed 1 was truthful, then you still have more than 50% saying they don't know the signature of Picasso, and so 50% of people that are seeing this title can't read it, which is bad. The title is the most important thing of your game. I know it might be hard to hear, but yeah. You cannot read it? Yeah, most people can't. Yeah, and then I don't know why this main menu is the first thing here. Like, it doesn't show. And then this is... Okay, so this looks like... So, this screenshot, I guess, is nice, but I could be playing this character too. I actually thought that I was, or this was a cutscene. It's not obvious that I'm playing him. Because he's not in the thumbnail too. And he could be an enemy. Or, what do you guys think? Druckschrift ist die Norm. Now you guys know that you play him, right? But when you see the screenshot for the first time? I mean, if you're only looking at screenshots, right? Do you think? Looks like a victim. Yeah, it looks like... The logo is trash. Holy shit. Like, this guy's gotta be a bit smart. Careful with your wordings here, okay? Don't hurt the people. Like, not exception. That can hurt people, you know? It's like, it's... If you say trash, you know? Let's look at the trailer and see. Bro, you're wasting 6 fucking seconds on a logo? I don't know, that never worked for me. It's a long trailer. Holy cow. Okay. I'm deliberately not watching with sound, by the way. Holy cow. So we are 12 seconds in and I still haven't seen gameplay. That's not good, man. I want to show you something. No, not Team. Steam. Really successful game. First 1 second already gameplay. In the first second, it shows you the house. It shows you placing a house. It shows you placing a dwarf. It shows you placing crops. Now, this is what you do in the game a lot, but yeah. Your game, or your logo, sorry, your trailer spends 13 seconds without gameplay, just showing text and a picture. So, like, people will get bored and they're like, bro, what are you doing? And they will just leave the Steam page. Yeah. And I guess this is gameplay now. That's the first bit of gameplay, 18. But now it's still not showing gameplay. It's just showing the world. And now you're riding a bike. But I thought you were a serial killer. If you're a serial killer, why is not the first thing you show you killing someone? What? That's like the flashes really piss me off. I'm sorry. Wait, what was that? Is that so you kill someone here? Why are they laying down? Just because you have a knife? Why don't they run away? I don't understand. Okay. I miss him being easy to rage bait. See, the reason why I'm not that easy to rage bait anymore, because I have been rage baited so much. But this doesn't look like you're painting with blood. And what are you painting on? Okay. So you're selling your art. I see. Wow. Holy cow. Bro, you spent 45 seconds just to say kill, paint in blood, sell art, which can be done in 5 at most. So that's the idea. You came in here, told me a concept, but you like, this is the concept. That's actually not a bad concept, but it's totally not clear at all. Damn, like no one understands the concept, bro. Unless they read this. But how many people read this? Not too many. Some do. I'm not saying no one, but some do, yeah. That's actually not a bad thing. If I don't understand why they lay down. Like, do you have to run away from the police? That would be cool. Watch the clip on X and literally cry together, lol. Oh man. Happy to see that the game went well. We'll buy it right now and play it a little. Thank you, man, Dusty. Thank you so much, bro. You need to make, basically visually show you killing someone, then draw. And like the thing is, the problem is, I think, that the jump from this, wait. Hey. Oh my god. The jump from this to this doesn't seem natural. There's no blood vial anywhere. There's no scene where you collect the blood in like some Behältnis in English. Like it doesn't show you collecting the blood or like how much blood you have. You just have red paint. And it drips a little bit, but paint always drips too. Did you try to keep the trailer PG-13? Yeah, and then this doesn't look like you painted in blood. It doesn't look bloody at all. Wait, let me see. Pixel art? Images? That's what I was thinking of, yeah. But it is AI, so it doesn't really work, unfortunately. One sec. I don't want to show some of that. Yeah, I mean, that could work too. Not sure if that would work, but yeah. Let's try, this could... that doesn't fit the art style. I guess it gets the idea across. So, you kill someone, but I hate that there's so much text and I can't see the gameplay. Like, this is way too long, man. Okay. You kill someone, and then you have like a predefined image. And then you add blood to the image, and you try to sell that image with blood in it, right? But this doesn't look like this picture here doesn't look like a bloody image. It just looks like an tentacle guy, right? What are these things called? Like this does not give the impression that it's drawn with blood. But this one could potentially. So like it's without the red part, right? You like it gives you a preview. It could be like a multitude of like for example, the main character looks like this. Maybe it could be like you have a different preview images when you draw. Different preview images that shows you the preview, and then you just add blood to the preview image, and then that's the blood from your victims, and then you sell those images that contain blood in them. And yeah, normal people wouldn't know it's a nasty painting because it's just a painting that has blood in it, but it's actually real blood instead of paint. But the rest of the paint is real paint, right? But you're just painting in red. And yeah, you see what I mean? Yeah, it can be any picture, guys. It can be any picture, like a preview picture that has an axe and it chops the head off of something else, and then you just, with your blood vial, which shows you how much blood you have from your last kill, you just add the blood to it, right? And then as you add more blood to the picture, your vial empties, meaning you need more blood. And so it could be that. Or it could be a progression, right? You start with a very easy painting, you just add a little blood to it, and as you progress through the game, need more and more blood. Like, that would be cool. And then, as you need more and more blood, you need to kill more and more people, and the police are getting more and more onto you. And on every auction, maybe you have to, like, dodge questions or, you know, answer questions as to can they inspect your picture and blah, 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 right? But I don't know how far the game is along. If it's in June, then you might be cucked because that's not a lot of time. But yeah, anyways, right now this is just a picture for people when they see this. This has nothing to do with blood. That's just painting. Yeah, now you could add side characters that know about this and you know, buy the paintings just because of that, right? But yeah, anyways, fine. Let's move on. Blop, 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 blop. And again, like, I gave you feedback as a gamer right now. I don't know how much that can improve the game, right? So please take it with caution. Yeah, so I'm by no means an expert at all. Okay? I'm just trying to, like, build in my head what would be a cool thing to do. If that is successful or not, I don't know. And you have to package it in a way that it looks successful, that it looks interesting to the player. No, if you talk, no, do I need to ban you? There's no coin. I don't do crypto. Go away. This is a scam. No, guys, I need to be very careful with this. I don't want any one of you to get scammed. And so we have to ban these people. Packages game has been a challenge. Yeah, it has been a challenge for me too. I know what you mean, bro. But please remove the main menu screenshot or put it at the very end, okay? It does nothing. I don't know why it's there. And the trailer is... I'm sorry, but just show more gameplay and less text. It's like more text than gameplay. People really do not like that. The trailer should make the mechanic clear. Like, if I was doing the trailer, I would do kill, show like a vial of blood filling up, then show a painting that is a normal painting, show the same vial in the UI, put your, and you could like turn your mouse into a pencil, right? Put the pencil on the vial, so, make a sound effect, bloom, right? Bloom, like you tonk it in, and then you paint the blood onto that predefined image, and that blood drips down, and then it shows you selling the picture for $500 or something, and then it shows plus $500 and someone buying the game. That could be done in 10 seconds. 10-second trailer, done. And then that would be the first iteration of the trailer, and then you'd show the progression. More kills, more paintings, police. Yeah, I don't know if there's police, but, you know, police hunting you or something. And 30-second trailer, done. Something like that. If you want me to try out your game, you can send me an email. Little backpack, because I want to play more indie games, you know. You can send me an email if you want to. With, I mean, oh, I see the demo is free. Or send me a Discord DM. So I don't forget, because I'm not doing it now. My Discord DMs are open. Just if you message me on Discord, make clear where you're from. Like, I'm the little backpack guy. Do you want to try out the demo? I might do that on a separate PC. But that game is on Steam. But I know what you mean. It could be. We might need to verify it, right? Didn't Charlie get hacked or something from like a game or demo on Steam? Wasn't there this? Where did the crypto scammers come from? Well, so like a couple of weeks ago, they actually tried this too. And I came in here like someone made a coin for you, it's really good and stuff like that, and we had to ban them all, and then it stopped for a while and it seems to appear again. Right? Seems to be happening. So like they try this, I guess, every couple of months. But okay, guys, we need to make progress on the game. It's already 6 p.m. I know I started late, but we need to make progress. So, do I draw another campfire just to make the map? Do you wanna... Should we do a campfire? Or we just do these campfires for now? And then with time... Because I need to be done by Friday. I think it'd be better if I just use this campfire for now. Make it bigger. No, that making it bigger would mean I draw another campfire. Definitely a different PC and isolated. Better to keep your home / network and third-party playtest network separate, and it's a full business expense. So no-brainer. Okay, I mean... We'll see how I handle it. Maybe I take some time to play the demo and verify that it's good. But I don't have a separate PC, guys. What is your opinion on Amazing TD games? I think they're cool. Guys, I think I'll just do the fire, okay? I think that's good enough. Yeah, I think that's fine. Did you play the old... Yeah, I did play old Warcraft 3 games. I like them. I'm so sad that Blizzard turned off the old Warcraft 3 servers. We can no longer log into Battle.net there. They really only needed one server, I'm assuming. It's just one fucking server to keep them running. So annoying. I can no longer log in there. Good luck on your journey, thank you. Thank you for the feedback, everyone. Hey, wish you good luck, man. But it's not a concept, okay, bro? Next time, call it, what do you think of my game? Okay? Then it's not confusing, okay? Concept is a concept. A game is a game. This is a game, okay? No, because I've had people, like, I know I can be open to being wrong here, but I've had people come in here in the past and then, like, say something that wasn't true just to make me look, and like, I don't have problems to look at things. It's totally fine. I love doing that, really. But when people are just being deceiving or something, right? How you call that? It just makes me not want to look, because, like, I value honesty, you know. Miscommunication. It could be miscommunication, yeah. So I'm sorry if I misunderstood that, right? That was not my intention. Do we put this here?
Master, the calculations are in, and the powers of your brain are overwhelming.
Okay. Guys, how much sludge do you think we have and how much money? Yeah. How much money do we have? I wanna check. 20,000 sludge, only 14,000 money. How? How do I have less money? Oh, because I keep opening chests. Oh god. Level 78. I'm just farming here, guys. We're listening to the music as well. Where we are basically not playing Skelicilla, but that's the intended way, right? That's how you do it. What do you guys think? Cozy? Looks nice. Can you check out Amberville? This is the game Carnage is involved in. I think they did such a great job in creating a modern game trailer. Amberville, oh, I love the game. I always take a look at it for inspiration when it comes to pixel art. The trailer is good, you think? We could look in a second, man. Okay, guys, lighting is enough? Good enough? I'll put the orange tree lighting here in a second. Let me save. I need to yoink a lightning light from a different level. Was it Crossroads? No. Campsite Road? Yeah. Campsite Road is nice. Load. Also, this tree should have shadow. Why is it not having a shadow? There you go.
I saw your TikTok video went viral and came to check you out. Am happy for you and one day hope to hit the same goal. Best wishes.
Thank you. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you so much. Appreciate it a lot, man. Thank you so much for 500 bits. That is a lot of money. And thank you so much for following, man. TikTok video. Yeah, there's also apparently TikTok videos. Crazy. Yo, Cakez, was geht? Hello there, Joby. We are making a new map. Check you out. Yeah, he's checking out my packs, you know. TikTok video of Cakez dancing, yeah. Okay, let's design this a little more. I would love to put some... I mean, these would need snow, right? These would need snow too. But I could do that. It's not too difficult to add snow to these and add new foliage at the end. We need Android version. It's fine. Come on. Yeah. You. Yeah. Let's do some pixel art. I have 2 days. Should be able to do it. Like today and tomorrow and Friday. Guys, when does the Steam spring sale on Friday start? TikTok likes clowns. Hey man, just saw some videos of you reacting to your success. I loved how genuinely grateful you were that people were supporting your game. Just bought the game a moment ago, excited to play. Hey man, thank you so much. If you guys, for those of you guys who are joining and you're buying the game, I'm open to any feedback, right? If you have any feedback for the game, please let me know. It means a lot to me if you, you know, give me honest feedback and help me make the game better. Wait, it is tomorrow, actually, in less than 24 hours. So I need to be done with this map by tomorrow, guys? Tomorrow at 18. So basically we have 24 hours to make this. Okay. Possible. When are you gonna start a new game? I'll probably start a new game soon. I still think I wanna take a break from streaming for a while, or at least focus a little bit more on getting the YouTube recordings away from my disc. And like I already did that with yesterday's recording. Nicht schon wieder? Was? What? Oh, yeah, Domi, goodbye. Okay, did I, is there someone else? Sorry about this. Guys, you need to kill this. The moment there's anything, we created something on Twitter, delete them immediately. Anyone coming in here saying they created something on Twitter or Bitcoin, immediately deleting, please. Anyone else? Use follower only chat, Cakes? I hate follower only chat. And they can just follow. So it doesn't help at all. They can just follow and then still type these messages. And I definitely won't do subscriber only chat, because that's like even worse. Two-year followers only. Subscribers, so they will pay. Yeah, it's crypto bots or something like that, yeah. It sucks, but we'll get through this. Okay, let's do some pixel art. I love pixel art. I love myself. Oh, guys, by the way, I have some awesome idea for keybinds. I'm not done with it yet. If we have 24 hours, I need to actually get my fucking ass up, bro. I wanted to play a game today, but I think I will skip the game. I told them I'm gonna play it today. I'll quickly talk about it, but then 1 second, okay? Let me order this a bit. Because it's actually way overwhelming now. Holy shit, how do we have 470 players? Is that the TikToks and the things going crazy again? Or is that just Tuesday? How? That's insane. Yeah, here. Guys, we have a bundle with Rogue Monster Rush. This game looks amazing. It's a tower defense game. The guys reached out to me, wanted to do a bundle, and I asked them for a key so I could check out the game. We're going to play this tomorrow. I wanted to play this today, but if we only have 24 hours for a patch, then I really want to get the patch out for tomorrow. And yeah, it looks interesting. Like it a lot. So I want to give the game a go, and because I don't want to talk about a bundle I'm in if I have not played the game, right? Or at least, what can I say about the game other than it looks good? In Gnomes, it's easy for me to say that it's good because I played it, right? It's a good game. So we will play this tomorrow. Thank you very much for these guys for doing a bundle. I can already, like, here, if you guys want to check it out yourself, here it is, right? On YouTube too. Hey Change, you love your game? It will be cool to add more maps on a sense system where you restart but unlock upgrade points. And the level gets harder, or maybe an infinite dungeon mode. We have an infinite level mode. It's called challenge mode, man. And of course, I wanna... Is it gnomes here? Here. You guys know gnomes. I'm in a bundle with them too. Amazing. The developers, both of them are amazing, guys. If you wanna check out those games, here is the bundle info. You can buy the bundle with gnomes and Tangy TD. And of course, you guys on Twitch. Here you go. Why is there limited time to make a patch? Because I want to go with a patch into the spring sale, so that people that are joining the spring sale, they see that the game has just been updated with additional content, and it makes them more likely to buy and play the game. It's what many people do. And yeah. I don't want to leak anything. I'm scared. Okay, that's good. It's fine. Yeah, see, there's another email here. Shit, I closed that. Oh, I wanted to say thank you under the game there. Yeah, here's the last supporter. Wait, is it supporter pack? Is that a bundle? Good. Mr. Farmboy? Yeah, one last. That's the last bundle. Yeah. Mr. Farmboy. Mr. D-Boy is in chat too. If you wanna check that out, it's together with Tangy TD in a bundle. Very nice of him. And hope to support him in a bit with this. You can find the bundle here. It's together with Tangy TD. Those two games. Minus 10%. Stuff like that. Okay, chat. It's time. Let me order this a little bit though. One last time. I want to say thank you to this guy. So we'll put this here. Farmboy. Gnomes, Farmboy. And then this. Good, these are the same. Achievements. Yeah, okay. Cleaned up for the most part. Very good stuff. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, and let's start doing pixel art. Sorry, needed to clean that up a bit. TCAP is selling? TCAP? Is TCAP selling his game? The browser looks like mine, 40 tabs. Yeah. I was watching Goku appear on Namek yesterday, guys. That was awesome. While I was making food, burgers, you know. I went to the store at like 11:30, 40, right? Because I was late yesterday. And the guy at the cash register was like, "You're gonna eat a burger now?" And I'm like, "Hell yeah, bro. I'm gonna eat a burger now." And then he started talking about Roadstop, which is like a popular burger spot in Münster. Good burgers there, yeah. What is this layer 2? God, I hate this. Oh, I see. It's the keyboard here. Good. Happy to see your success. I just wanted to say congrats. Thank you, man. Do you guys have the... Guys, what is Kotaku? Is that like a Twitter post, or is that like a website, Kotaku? That is, which region is that? I know Kotaku is big, but, and please, people are just gonna make fun of me regardless. So, yeah. Kotaku is a news website. read it. We will read it. Do not accept. We will read it. God. We will read it later, after we made progress. Thanks for the stream, Cakez. Thanks for joining, man. Skirp. Long time no see, by the way. Hope you're doing good. I said that the other day too, but yeah. It's been such a long time since I saw you. Newest gaming website. Did you find a good font editor tool? Someone linked me one. He said he vibe coded it in a day. I didn't test it yet. So not yet, but maybe. I didn't have time to test it out though. So I'll have to test it out first. I love adding snow to things because it's so easy. I just love snow in general. It's one of my favorite biomes in games. It's great to see someone doing cool stuff without AI. Congrats. Thank you, man. Thank you. I think most people don't use AI. I think it's just way overblown, right? Or am I wrong, guys? Am I wrong? I'm thinking that? Like, there's definitely a big push for AI, but... Yeah, null exception, bro. Yeah, I'm still not convinced. I'm sorry. Like, I said this like before, right? AI is so good. I just let AI code my game. Still didn't see any game yet. Oh. AI can do everything, man. I just sip on my tea. And wait. Alright, now we need to get some... I'll do it here a bit too. Blop, 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 blop. Nice, I love that. I love that, man. Ah, so fun. It's a kilometer away. But we need... these colors, where are they? Oh, so I don't have them. Great. Good stuff. Nice. I don't have them in my atlas. Amazing. Yeah, okay. So, start with this. And start with this. And start with this. And cool. How about we save that now? Save palette. Oh shit. Where's the color palettes? Wait, did I not? Was it Gamedev assets? Sprites? Hey, where did I save the color palette? weird. Why don't you pay a freelancer to do this? Because I love doing it. It's not about the money. I like doing it myself. If I pay a freelancer to make me an icy version of this, I have to contact him, tell him to do it, wait for him to do it, and then work on something else, pretending it's there when I can just do it myself and relax. It's not about the money, man. I like doing this. That's why I'm doing it. I would not have done this for 4 years without pay if I didn't like doing it. Okay? The money is now. There was no money before. I was still doing it. You know? You know, man, it's like, yeah. Don't know what to tell you, bro. We need a new folder, huh? Pellets. Pellet. Is that how you spell that? Well, now we do. File name. Tangy TD pellet. You can keep all the spelling mistakes for yourself, chat. I know, I'm just kidding. I'm a troll, dude. I'm a troll. A troll. Plop. Oh yeah, icy leaves. Hell yeah, baby. Look at that, chat. Oh, that looks awesome. Cool. We have icy things now. Amazing. So what else did I want to do? You wanted to add an icy version of the tree, right? Get that? Once he composed himself on an emotional stream, we was back to business. Once he composed himself on that emotional stream and was back to business, the first thing I'm gonna do now is get to the leaderboards and delete this fucking cheater. This guy was a cheater, okay? Can't have that in the game.
The powers of your
Asshole.
brain are overwhelming.
True. Oh yeah, I love snow. Oh yeah. Blub, 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 blub. Guys, when we are done here, somewhat, I'm going to quickly, you know, beat this asshole boss in Scalicula that killed me yesterday. We're gonna be, you know, smashing this guy to bits and pieces. Okay, we're gonna one-shot him like no tomorrow. And then we're just gonna progress through the game and finish it. Finish him. Yeah, man. I gotta be honest. I was stunned when I sat there. Right, I couldn't really move. Nah, that looks shitty. That just looks bad. Oh yeah, baby, look at that, guys. Oops. Yeah, I mean, I didn't know, you know, what to say. But yeah, no, I was stunned, right? Because what I still do not get, right, and what brings me to tears is how supportive people are. And you know, guys, like I was dreaming about this on. Like, you guys remember when I was at my parents' house, for example? I was dreaming about this happening. Like, for example, like one vivid memory is I was dreaming about Charlie saying something positive about my game and playing it, and that would always like bring me to tears when I was driving home with my bike, because it seemed so illogical and unreal. It still does, right? The fact that he like literally did an entire video, and in general like that. But yeah, because I see Charlie as like a really good person, and yeah, I hold his opinion in high regards. Okay, I think that's good enough. We could add some snow stuff here, but I feel like we don't need to. Don't really need to. Thanks for the game. Can stop playing. Awesome, awesome. How to detect the frozen shambler? I have a question. They do not, the frozen shamblers? You don't need to detect them. Good morning, Cakes. Hello, Slopside Games. You don't detect them. You just kill them. They are susceptible to fire. Oh yeah, I was doing this. Ultra level. 10. We'll fine-tune this, right? $100 health per round, base value, which is a lot. We could do 200 health per round, though. Good. Now we go into assets. Foliage count. Sprite foliage. Let me see. We have. I called these something rat's nest, I think. Undead crypt rock. Rat's nest. Here we go. We do rat's nest. They have to be at the bottom. And then we do rat's nest. Ice. And then we have the tree. Undead tree, I think. Where's the tree? It is after the shop and before the rat's nest. Okay. I've been really enjoying your game lately. Just finished the campaign and got around 150 so far. Someone missed out on the winner achievement. Anyone else has problems with them? You missed out on the winner 10 achievement? Really? Maybe the coding is wrong for me. Wait. Check rounds achievements, okay. How do I code this? You are challenge counter. Challenge round counter greater or equal to 10. And we don't have that yet. Okay, so let's say no, it should. If the challenge round counter is greater or equal to 10, can you start in challenge mode? You should get this. Survive 10 rounds. I'm here because of the viral video. Congratulations on your success, my friends. Being an indie developer isn't easy. Thank you, Giuliano. Thank you, man. I play games to escape. Me too, man. Gothic 1 and 2 all the time. They've been helping me get through many hardships. These games are amazing. Would be cool if I could make a game like that in the future. I want to. You don't get it. It's all weird. It's not challenge mode specific. It's the reach round in any map. That's why I'm surprised. Literally 60% of players got it. Let me check. Achievements. Did I misspell it? Winner 10. Survive 10 rounds. Reach round 10 in any map. 60% of... Oh wait, okay. How do I see the stats like you said, right? How do I see how many people have gotten the achievements? %90 of player have winner. 10 in any map. 60. 30% is 20. Put your global achievements on top. So this, right? Global is better. Oh, I see. Can I not make this bigger, Steam? No? Okay. I feel like you should get this. I got the achievement after a patch. Yeah, no, like in the beginning this achievement was bugged. That was my fault. I coded it wrongly. But now it should work. Survive 10 rounds. Let me add those real quick, okay? Rat's Nest. Oak Tree Dead. Oh, wait. One second, okay? I'll be there in just a second. Guys, I need to go to the bathroom, man. God damn it. Not now. Not now. And make this 1 pixel. 128 4208. 128 4208. Rat's Nest Ice, the big one. The big one. 128 for 160. 128 for 160. Um, 208 for 160. 208 for 160. Okay, just wanted to finish that. I hope this works. Missing. Oh, I forgot a comma. Okay. Good. Let's see. Global achievement is better at the same problem, but I got the achievement after a patch. I'm using it on MacBook because I'm too lazy to install Twitch-specific adblock. Oh, and you're talking about that. Perhaps it's a problem on the Steam side. Maybe I'll try. I will get it eventually, like TK said. What you could do is play a map in non-challenge mode that has 11 rounds and see if you get the achievement. And report back to me. Like, for example, Deep Forest has 11 rounds. You could play that map and let me know if that helps. Came in from a red post on PC Gaming. PC Gaming? Hello there, Para. And thank you very much for joining. Komm, Kinderhaus. Haben ein Spiel. Wir haben ein Spiel? Kinderhaus? Heute ist Training. Fußball.de. Oh yeah. Wir haben Kinderhaus. Oh shit. Yeah, GG. Kinderhaus is the first. Oh yeah, 40 points. Yeah, they only have 40 points. They suck. Like, they were much better before. They only have 40 points. Our guys, our team is number 5 on the list. I think we Gruß, Tobi. Man, Gruß zurück. Ich komme bald wieder. Noch ein bisschen. Noch ein bisschen. Vielleicht nächste Woche. Viel Glück. Jetzt kommen hier die Real Life Buddies in den Chat. True. True. Alright, guys. We just got ice. Thanks. We'll add these to the game. I wanted to make this transparent too, right? And this map is going to be all about wolves. You know what I want to add? Like a cave. A cave entrance, but I never got... Can I make that real fast? Are they doing worse without you? They were actually doing better without me. But it's always like... It's tough competition too. But you can't really... Let's make some rocks. Oops. Okay. Nice. Okay, that could be a good rock. No, actually wrong color. I can already hear Superku turning in his... Well, that's not how you say that. He's not in a grave. Sorry about that, man. I didn't mean to say that. Can already hear Superku getting really pissed off the same music all the time. Sorry, man. It's the wrong word to say. Super good time. No, please. Knock on wood. But I can't wait to have like a little bit of breathing room to finally play some PoE, bro. But I've been holding off, guys. I've been here hovering the PoE button a couple times, you know. Couple times, you know, when I was... but I didn't. Didn't do it yet. Sorry, super cool. I'm sorry. Okay, that's not perfect, but good enough for a rock. Now, let's see how big this rock is. Okay. Copy this. Where's the... Okay, so that's large. If we look at a tree, that's a bit large. Okay. Why we do this? We build like a small little mountain where they come from. Turn that into ice. We reuse this. Don't have to build a bunch of rocks. Maybe. Do I have that in here? We could do this, guys. And flip it, right? And then put it here in a thing, right? And then this is where wolves come from. But this looks ass, right? It looks bad. And then we put a couple tiny rocks here. Because I want enemies to come from here. You're starting fresh into the league? No, I don't want a currency. Yeah, I will be playing like off stream, I think. Not on stream though. I need to go to the bathroom, guys. Does it look like the same perspective? Doesn't look like... Yeah, it doesn't have to be. One sec. You're right as well. Maybe if we go down... Oh god. This is where the rats are. I'm good, bro. Nah, I'm good. There's got to be a different way back. I'm not going there. How do I... like... Huh? Okay, I'm back. Fuck IGN, what? Fuck Cakez. Who's playing? Oh, you see, you think it's... Oh, I'm playing the game, yeah. Cakez are gonna fuck D-boy. That's something you celebrate? Really? Okay. These people are being mean to you, man. Do not let them. Wrong click. Ah shit, a friend of mine just called me. Yeah, I'll talk to you after the stream. I'm sorry. Ooh, that looks good. I like that. And now we're going to do this. B. Shift 1. I really don't know what I'm doing here. I'm hoping that this works. Right. There you go. Wait, I don't have colors for this? Didn't I just add them? What have you done since yesterday on the game? I forgot, I don't know. Watching the second main monitor. I actually forgot. I did spend quite a bit of time making the video for Adam though. So I did do that. I'm sorry for those people that are listening to the and playing Skeleseller 2. I'm farming the game while I'm streaming. If you and I like the soundtrack of it too. Well, I hate that. I feel like it should be the other way around. Hello there, my man. Shut up. It's enough. How you doing, bro? Ah, I hate this too. Okay, this might look a little better, but not perfect. It's not perfect, but also it doesn't suck ass. I don't hate it. Let's say that. The software that I'm using to make the sprites is called Sprite. Oh shit, it bleeds into the... Shit, it bleeds into... this bleeds into the bottom trees here. Been a lurker for a while, so your reaction on X. Glad you succeeded. Thank you, man. Thank you very much for the nice comments. Oh, you typed that on YouTube too. I'm sorry. Did I miss anything on YouTube? Did not, thank goodness. Oh, is anyone in chat that knows this stuff? Can Stream Elements, the bot from Stream Elements, if you set up notifications for Stream Elements, does it transition over to YouTube too? So you don't have to set up the bot for like multiple platforms, you just do it for one. Because I really am tired of missing these donations, and it'll slow down, of course, but there have always been donations that I missed. And it's been really annoying. Because I do not have anything that notifies me when something is happening. And it feels really... How do you say that? It feels very bad. Like I don't really care, right? Which is not true at all. I do care a lot. And I want to properly say thank you to people, but when I don't see it, right? My game is cracked on Steam tools, that's fine. Like, who cares? There's more people playing a game. Maybe some of them will support me and buy the game. That's fine. Ah, shit. Shit. That's totally fine, man. Nothing to worry about. I don't need any more. Also, like, it's very consumer unfriendly if you make your game non-piratable or try to. I don't want to make it round though, that's bad. You're not supposed to make these things round. Yeah, I'm spending a bit too much time on this right now, but I'm also having a lot of fun, so yeah. I wanna design this a bit better. That sucks. Nice. Here's one too. We can do this. Here's another one. Should probably be here. This doesn't work, by the way. Not if you do this, and it needs to be that, but then this doesn't really work out too much. Maybe. But that's awkward there. Okay, We could stop it here, right? But since I finally have some time to really go a little bit deeper into these things, I wanna spend a little bit more time in fleshing these out. Didn't have the time before this to do this. No, let's not do that here. Alright, so this is gonna be the, what you call it? Thing. Whatever that's called. Yo, thank you very much for subscribing.
Am I so out of touch?
Man. Appreciate it.
No.
SP3 Court Ray _6 just subscribed.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Okay. It's not perfect, but I feel like good enough, and then we can add a little bit of snow. God damn it. I'm pixel fucking. No, stop. I'm doing too much. Stop it. Alright. Okay, good enough. The only thing that's missing is now the connection to the grass. Put this here. And in order to get the connection with the grass properly, we have to put it on grass. So basically this stands on this grass. Ah, shit. Kinda need to draw that here though. It'll all make sense in a second, guys, even if you can't see much right now. You are featured in today's GameStar news video. Oh god. Stop! Stop it already! It's too much! How can you get so lucky? It's too much luck, guys. That is too much, man. I appreciate it. We'll check it out later, okay? Need to make the game. We only have time till tomorrow, guys. That's crazy. There you go. GameStar, holy shit. I remember freaking buying the wasn't it GameStar where you buy the DVDs from and stuff? Right? Thank you, lol boy. Holy ass, Giga Chat is crazy. That is some crazy stuff. Like, these guys are... Zeig mir deine Ware. Gamester ist, zeig mir deine Ware. Those who know, no. Zeig mir, hey, I didn't select that pixel. Yeah, we'll look at it when I have time, okay, guys? I really, like, please do not take this the wrong way. It's not like I'm not looking because I don't care. It's basically, I really want this to get out for the Steam summer sale, spring sale, right? I want this to be done for the Steam spring sale. So that people can enjoy a little bit more of a complete game. Okay. Because I have been given this opportunity now, and I feel like I should be spending all the time in the game because there are certain issues still left. You know, that needs fixing. So that's why I'm not stopping everything. Okay. So, you know, leaderboard issues. Taking like freaking 15 hours to do leaderboard entry, which I can agree that's way too much. All right, I think we're good now. Might have an issue. That should be enough. And put that back here. Fuck, man. Wait. Oh, I see. It's in Fireball. There we go. But yeah, guys, one question, right? I'm pretty sure there's at least one guy in chat that has had, like, gotten a lot of money in one swoop, right? Or that deal with a lot of money. Like, you guys are all basically saying the same thing, right? Which is, do not get a house this year, right? Do not try to get a house this year. Wait till next year or something, right? Because of taxes and stuff like that. Is that what you guys... Like, I'll be talking to these tax people, right? A tax person. Because I don't know that stuff.
Commit and
But
push
it sounds
immediately,
logical.
and then go wagon.
Crypt. I only suggested waiting to better understand. Getting a single lump sum would never be spent immediately. Why wait on a house? Get a gas station? I want to live somewhere so I don't get interrupted by Zoe all the time when I'm just streaming. It's like, Papa! Papa! I'm working! Papa! Right? Okay, you guys have seen the streams. Some of them were really difficult for me, okay? Get an office? Bro, an office would be in your house. You have your own room. You can lock the room. That's your office. I don't have that. There's literally the kitchen behind me. They have to go here all the time just to get to the kitchen. Right? Sorry. So, wait until she's 6. Gotta move to the basement. Yeah, so just rent for a year, good place. Search for perma house. You mean rent? We already own, no, not own. Own? We already own. Not own. God, we are already renting. It's not like we are not renting. Alright, so that's gotta be good enough, man. I'm proud of this. Look, it might not be perfect, but I'm pretty sure it's good enough. Yeah! Now that's good. Then enemies can come from here too. We are paying 1,050 euros every month just to live here, yeah. I'm not sure you plan to pay for a loan. Change is great and all, but it probably will not make much after a month or two. I don't know, to be honest. What I know is that since I'm streaming, I can always ask people to support me by buying a game, and that gives me an advantage that many other game devs don't have. Because even if this all blows over, there's still a YouTube audience that watches me and wants to see what's going on, and there will be new people coming in. Buy me a house donation code. No, we don't need that. So I think it'll be decent, but I don't know what to expect. I have no clue. Right, I need to see this in like 2 or 3 or 4 months. DLC? No, there will be no DLC. There will just be more content in the game and updates that add content to the game, like Stardew Valley. Okay, I will do exactly what Stardew Valley does, guys. There will be no other, like, fuckeries and stuff like that. I hate that. No, no. You get the game. And then you get updates to the game. Because since the game is doing very well, I've been spending 4 years on this because it is really important to me. So, of course, I will be updating it and add content, but you will not pay for this. You will just get updates. Right? Your take-home pay is 130,000 euros, around 50k for down payment and 1.8k monthly for mortgage without utility. So it's more like... No. Study pause. We were doing calculations for a house with 300k investment, which is a house that is used, right? A house that is old, that needs to be renovated. And we were how do you say that? We were supplying 50k ourselves, right? We went to like a bank and asked how much we would have to pay. And they told us that the pay monthly would be 1,000 euros. Everything included. Everything included. So 500 less than what you're saying. And so that is exactly the same amount of rent that we are paying right now. My wife can technically also help paying the 1k, yeah. Because that's what we are paying right now, and that's what we were looking for, right? And so that would be exactly the same amount of money that we do. Like, yeah, it's probably possible then, but I have to like talk to others, right? I like the story. Congratulations. Thanks. You seem like a genuine guy. I'm not a huge tower defense player, but I bought your game. Looking forward. Thank you. Awesome, bro. Thank you very much, man. Appreciate it. We are currently working on what is it called? On content. Adding a new map, and I don't know if I can get a boss done today. We have dash, but I want him to have like really... I mean, he could have a normal attack, and that does just a huge bleed. No, what my plan is this. If I get a mortgage, whatever that's called, I will... There's like a 10-year deal that you do, where after 10 years you can change it. And I think if I keep making games, I might be able to just fully pay 100k in 10 years. And then maybe over 10 years, like after 10 years, I might have saved up enough money to fully pay the rest. And like over 10 years, I might be able to get the last stuff doing good, you know, in. That's what I think. Might be possible. But I don't know if that's the best approach, right? What you do. Not sure. Won't be 100k by the time you reach the 10-year mark. Oh, if we do a... Oh, it might be more, right? Instandhaltung, especially if buying something that already requires renovations. You don't know what might break through, that's true, but that's why you're looking at it, right? That's why I have help from friends that know this stuff. A friend of mine is renovating houses for a living and then selling them again. He's buying them, renovating them and selling them. So he can tell me what house is good and what isn't. So he could tell me, like it's no guarantee, of course. Just ask him, not chat. Yeah. It's still interesting to talk about this, right? I feel. What about this? I like it so far, but we have to be careful because this also bleeds into the UI here, which is a bit annoying. Cakez, I had a success for one reason. You made your own engine. People are going to use this as an example to make their own. I will be making a video about not doing that. Yeah, but I can see that, yeah. I'll be telling people to use Raylib. Or STL3, right? I can't recommend STL3 though, because I haven't used it. So if I put a recommendation like that in the video... It must be the blur algorithm. It has to be. I want to change something. You see this right here, guys? I'll show you in the middle. Let me copy this and paste it here. I'll show you what pisses me off. Do you see this line here? This happens because I blur the shadow on the GPU in the shader. And this line needs to be clamped. Maybe I can do it. I think we just clamp X and Y, but I do it already. Then why is that not enough? Maybe I'm missing a -1? Maybe here too? Ooh! 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 Oh! Did you see that? -1? Oh yeah! Light God! Hell yeah! One-shotted holy. Yeah, it's our first try, man. Holy cow! This boss was easy. Damn! Okay. Nice! No, transparent and not flip X. Let's save this though. I do not want to lose my progress. Oh, thank goodness. But yeah, guys, if you're new here and you want to support what I do, I'm making a game called Tangy TD. You can find it right here, especially if you're new on YouTube. Thank you very much for joining and watching. I hope you have fun. We're currently designing one additional level, which will then make Tangy TD have 10 levels instead of just what you call it? Instead of just 8. And I hope to implement another boss, but it might be not be enough. We might not have enough time. That's too much glow. This sucks. Yeah, almost not noticeable. Yeah, still noticeable. Okay. This makes it a little bit more lively. While at the same time making it a little dark. There can be way more foliage pieces, right? You can put some more stuff here. Nice. I think the map, guys, you think the map's good enough? On a scale of 1 to 10? How much do you think this map? What do you guys think? 5? 8? 7.6? Good enough out of 10? 2? 8.5? 7? I played 8, but maybe shadows are weird. Which shadows are weird? Where are shadows weird? Oh my god, Peter, thank you very much for $5. You have to... it's too long, the message. Let me see. Sorry about that. I'll do half of the message and then the next half. Sorry, man. You're burning your money away. But thank you very much for $5, man.
Peter, thank you for $5. My advice would be to wait at least a year until you got the Stoiberscheid for your gigantic. And come in not rushing into buying a house right after having a singular big success. It's practically the same trap lottery winners run into, but lottery winners at least don't pay tax.
Wait, lottery winners don't pay tax? Is that true? I feel like they do, right? They do. Yes? What do you mean, yes? They do here. Depends on the country. So in Germany, they don't. I mean, it's a lottery you win, right? It's not like they... Yeah. And what is the wrong with the shadows? Should they follow fires, not the one direction? They should follow the fires, not one direction. Oh, yeah. Okay, well, yeah. No way.
Am I so out of touch?
Not in this engine,
No.
bro.
Loy1901 just subscribed.
Thank you very much for subscribing, Loya. Appreciate it. Yeah, no, guys, I think the map looks good enough, okay? I mean, it can be better, but I think we crafted something nice here. I put the club on this guy. He's gonna smack them down. Okay, good. Stein can go right in between her butt cheeks. Safe level. Just bought your game. Congratulations on your great achievement. Thank you. Appreciate it, bro. Hope you have fun. Can we change it? No, we cannot change the campfire with lanterns. Because I do not have time. That's one thing you need to learn as a game dev, bro. You don't have infinite time. So, good. Now, what are we going to spawn in this map? Rats. Lots of rats. Lots of wolves. Vicious rats. Wolves. Frozen shamblers. Frozen rollings. We can spawn a lot of trolls too. Like chat. So wait, toggle? Okay, we can spawn orcs. We could spawn trolls. We could spawn rats. Wolves. Is that enough? These bats can be spawned. Ghosts can spawn too. Harpies could spawn too. Why don't we spawn harpies as well? Is it possible to buy and play your game on Mac? No, not natively. I'm sorry, I don't have Mac support natively.
Am I so out of touch?
But...
No.
Oh, ain't the golems here?
One Seba 7-1 just
No, no
subscribed.
golems. Harpies is fine, but no golems. Thank you so much for subscribing, man. Mr. Juan. With the club white gifting mob, the chest loving guy. Oh, this one here, the goblin. I mean, the rat can spawn is also a chest. They drop the same items. They misspell your game, Cakes? Who misspelled my game? PC Gamer? Did they misspell my game? It's a German outlet, guys. That's embarrassing.
Am I so out of touch? No.
Alkendiwe is gifting 10 sub to the community.
No. I don't see. Huh? What? Tangy HD? Where? Am I? There's no. Huh? Tangy TD, not HD? Maybe they are. I don't know. I don't see HD. Not sure. No mistake. So. Holy shit! You gifted 10 subs to community? Alk? Need you the same name? Thank you. Holy, thank you so much, man. For 10 gifted. Big W's in chat, guys. Come on. Big W's in chat for Mr. Alk. I'm gonna call you Mr. Alk, okay? Thank you so much, man. That's already 30 gift subs, bro. That's a lot of money. This guy's burning his money away. Big W's. Yeah. He can't read. Guys, there is no Tangy HD in the title. Dev breaks down in tears when 4 years of work are rewarded with 250,000 earnings in a week. I don't know why people are so nice. There is no Tangy HD. Where? There is no Tangy HD anywhere. Okay? So you're wrong. Click the articles. Oh, you mean the article? Which article? There's no article. It's just a picture. Oh, I thought this was a video. PC Gamer. Huh? Oh, Tangy HD. I see. That's funny. Okay. I get it. No! I understand now. Yeah, okay. Sorry. Sorry, I'm wrong. Of course, like always. I'm always wrong. Okay, I'm sorry. It's my fault. Should have looked better. This is HD, yeah. Okay, I want this map. People are gonna hate me, but I want this map to be like a flood. And also, I want to add a new enemy. Guys, so people have asked me, have I drawn all of the enemies in the game? Yeah, most of them I have. Some of them I have bought. Like, for example... I wonder where did I save them? I think it's in Drive. Wait, do I have something in my Drive that's bad to show? Gamedev assets, okay. Gamedev assets. And here we have sprites. And as far as I remember, if this loads anytime soon, this is not what I want, right? Why is this so slow, man? That's not... But it could actually work. Hey guys, should I add this enemy? Should I add this? Ghost. I have no pawn folders. Doesn't look like Tangy TD. What do you mean? It's a ghost enemy. Like, that would be... I could make him the same color as this guy. So... Fly... Idle... Attack. He could even have a dash, 2 attacks. Looks good. I think ghosts are nice for a dark map. Looks icy. Yeah, there was something else, I know. But I don't have a pawn folder. That is for Tangy TD. This is for Tangy TD, yeah. I'm not looking at the revenue. I'm not looking at the revenue. I feel like you get just distracted by this too much. How are you feeling, Mr. Cakez? Tired, but otherwise good. I didn't know that this patch was tomorrow. I didn't know that the Steam sale starts tomorrow. I thought it was Friday. So wait, so tomorrow is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's 4 days, yeah. But watching numbers go up? Yeah, that's exactly the point. I already get a little hung up on this. Never mind. By the way, I downloaded this to put it in a Skelicella video. Because you guys posted it on Discord about me, and I was like, hey, that's perfect for the Skelicella video. I don't know where... Whatever, it doesn't matter. I don't have to check my player numbers. It's okay. I'd be refreshing the stupid revenue page every day. Yeah, I know. Just saw the clip, moved me enough to buy the game. Good stuff, man. Hope Tangy keeps doing well. Thank you. Ultimate. Yeah, Ultimate. Glückwunsch, thank you, man. Thank you, guys. Yeah, I don't know why people are so nice. Like, I can't think about it too much because I get very emotional. So we'll just add this warrior here, guys. I think he did a good job here. All we need to do really is to add an outline. And then change the color on the export. Polar bear? I don't have a polar bear, unfortunately. Alright, so how do we do this? I think the size of this is perfectly matching 16 by 16, right? So it'll be this, right? It's not. It is not. Let's see, view grid. What grid do we need? It's definitely not 96, but we can test 64. Yeah, it's not. Shit. So how much is it then? I don't like when people don't export. Like, how much do we have left? 11? Is it 11 frames? So I'm off by 1 pixel? Nah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. If I add to 1 pixel? No. Am I stupid? Wait, am I dumb? Wait. We have 11 pixels left over. Huh? But 11 divided by 11 is 1. I don't get it, guys. I'm too stupid. What am I supposed to do here? Maybe 8. So instead of 96, it's gotta be plus 8. So 97 plus 8, no, 96 plus 8 is 102? 104. 4. No. Oh my god! Divide the width by 11. Divide the width by 11. Okay, so 96 by 11. 8.7, but that doesn't work. One pixel per image, so 11. Yeah, but that doesn't work, man. I don't get it. I'm sorry. I just don't understand the dimensions here. Maybe it's 112, guys. Maybe it's 112. Right? That's why I hate buying assets on the internets. Because, yep, it's not it. Maybe there's like some text here, no? God, this pisses me off. What is it then? The asset doesn't have a readme. So wait, I did 96. Wait, let's see. How many frames do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, I know what to do, guys. I know what to do. We take the entire thing. It's 1100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 100. It's 100. It's 100. It's 100. It's 100. Yeah. It's 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I should have done 100 divided by frame count. It's fine. Alright. Oh yeah. How do we make this faster? We close this. So what I'm doing is I'm transferring this into a format that I can work with, that doesn't suck. And we're going to be doing